If you toss a hot pan into cold water, you're gonna get burned. That sizzling sound lets you know you've just ruined your cookware. It's called thermal shock. Taste of Home says it can wreck your pans, even the pricey ones. Put simply, the outlet explains metal expands as it's heated. And pots and pans are typically made from several layers of metal, with some packing an enameled or nonstick coating. These materials expand and contract at different temperatures. Thermal shock happens when the metals cool too quickly, like when you wash hot pans in cold water. The pan can start to pull against itself. This extreme temperature difference can cause a pan to warp, crack, or shatter. First things first, food quality will suffer. Food won't cook evenly in a warped pan, and it won't sit flat on some cooktops. It'll taste even worse if the chipped enamel gets into your food. Finally, that expensive, high-quality pan will start to look ugly as the finish comes off. Your best bet to avoid any damage is to let the pans cool down gradually on the stovetop. Once they're at room temperature, it's okay to wash them.